This is a reading and exercise video. First, you will learn important vocabulary from the text. Each word has a meaning and an example sentence. Then, you will have the text with the new words highlighted. You can pause and read it again. At the end, there is a short quiz to help you remember the words. Let's get started.
John's day at work. Vocabulary. Feels good. To feel happy or positive. After finishing the report, John feels good. A busy day. A day with many tasks and little free time. Today was a busy day at the office. Arrived. Came to a place. I arrived at work at 9 a.m. Checked. Looked at something to see information. She checked her emails in the morning. Meeting. A time when people talk about work together. We have a team meeting every Monday. Project. A piece of work with a goal, usually done over time. The new project starts next week. Deadline. The last day or time to finish something. The deadline for the report is Friday. Quick. Fast or short in time. Serenia, we had a quick coffee break. Colleague. A person you work with. My colleague Emma helped me with the task. Presentation. A talk or a slideshow to explain something. John gave a presentation to the client. Behind, not on time. Late, I'm behind on my tasks this week. Break. A short time to rest during work. Let's take a 10-minute break. Slides. The pages in a digital presentation. I made 5 slides for the meeting. Charts. Pictures that show information, like a graph. The sales chart shows the company's growth. Finish. To complete something, I need to finish my email before lunch. John's day at work. John is sitting on the train going home from work. He is tired, but he feels good. Today was a busy day at the office. He arrived at work at 9 a.m. and turned on his computer. First, he checked his emails. There were many messages from his manager and clients. Some emails were about a meeting tomorrow, and others were about project deadlines. John replied to the most important emails first. At 10 a.m., he had a quick coffee break in the kitchen. He spoke with his colleague, Emma. They talked about their work tasks for the day. Emma said she had to write a report, and John said he needed to finish a presentation for a client. They both laughed when they realised they were behind on their work. After the break, John worked on his presentation. He used PowerPoint to make slides and added charts and bullet points to explain the project better. It took him 2 hours to finish, but he was happy with the result. At lunchtime, John and Emma went to a cafe near the office. They talked about the team meeting from the day before. John said he liked how the manager explained the new goals for the month. Emma agreed and said the new plan was more clear and helpful. In the afternoon, John joined a video call with a client. The client asked many questions, but John answered them all. The client was happy and said the project was moving in the right direction. That made John feel proud of his work. Now, as he sits on the train, John thinks about his day. He worked hard, spoke with his team, and made progress on his tasks. He is looking forward to resting at home, but he also feels ready for tomorrow. Quiz. What does feels good mean? A. Feels cold. B. Feels angry. C. Feels happy or positive. D. Feels sick. C. Feels happy or positive. What is a busy day? A. A day with no work. B. A day with many tasks. C. A fun day. D. A slow day. B. A day with many tasks. What does arrived mean? A. Went to sleep. B. Came to a place. C. Looked around. D. Talked to someone. B. Came to a place. What does checked mean? A. To write something down. B. To open a door. C. To look at something for information. D. To clean something. C. To look at something for information. What is a meeting? A. A party. B. A short walk. C. A time to talk about work. D. A game. C. A time to talk about work. What is a project? A. A holiday trip. B. A piece of work with a goal. C. A new friend. D. A TV show. B. A piece of work with a goal. What does deadline mean? A. A free day. B. A time to eat lunch. C. The last time to finish something. D. The start of the day. C. The last time to finish something. What does quick mean? A. Very fun. B. Very short or fast. C. Very slow. D. Very loud. B. Very short or fast. What is a colleague? A. A customer. B. A person you work with. C. A family member. D. A manager. B. A person you work with. What is a presentation? A. A party. B. A phone call. C. A slideshow to explain something. D. A kind of food. C. A slideshow to explain something. What does behind mean? A. Early. B. Finished. C. Late or not on time. D. Fast. C. Late or not on time. What is a break? A. A meal. B. A short rest during work. C. A long holiday. D. A mistake. B. A short rest during work. What are slides? A. Pages in a presentation. B. Doors in the office. C. Stairs at work. D. Pages in a book. A. Pages in a presentation. What are charts? A. A calendar. B. A type of email. C. Pictures that show information. D. Office maps. C. Pictures that show information. What does finish mean? A. To start something. B. To complete something. C. To clean something. D. To send a message. B. To complete something.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and leave a comment below to let us know what you'd like to learn next. See you in the next video. If you would like to support the channel, please buy us a coffee in the link below.